I'm Shrenik Goyal, Principal Architect at Shrenik Goyal Architects. We are a design studio based out of Kolkata and Siliguri in West Bengal. The office we designed is for a young export-import firm based out of Kolkata with branches in Germany and US. The brief of the project was to design a back-end office comprising of 11 to 12 workstations, a director's chamber cum lounge, a discussion room, along with other ancillary spaces. Now we were handed over an existing residential apartment by the client, which had to be converted into a back-end office for the company. With the existing space being a residence, it was a challenge for us to transform it into an efficient workspace environment while incorporating clients' multiple requirements within a mere 1050 square feet. Interestingly, to the east of the office is Kolkata Wetlands, which is spread across vast acres of UT land. Hence, we thought, why not absorb this entire environment into the office space? To do this, we have carefully taken down few of the corner walls on the eastern side of the office. This small intervention has created a huge impact on the internal space, making it appear much roomier and bigger. Also, it has let in much needed natural lighting throughout the day, thereby reducing the need for artificial lights. In terms of the spatial planning, the office is divided into three core spaces: the workstation area, the director's chamber cum lounge, and the discussion room. Now all of these three spaces are interconnected to form a work triangle, therefore creating a seamless spatial workflow. An interplay of subdued material palette with contrasting touches of primary colors like red and black is what defines the mood of this office. The light wooden flooring in the workstation, the white textured walls, the Kolkata wetlands, and a touch of red offers this office a unique expression. The central world map made of metal with clocks represent different time zones which highlight the business of the company. During our design process, we have paid careful attention to the smallest detail. For example, the circular teakwood door handles were incorporated across the entire office doors, which break the linearity and the rectangular lines of the space. We believe the simplicity of the space is what makes it timeless and generates a positive work environment for its users. The private director's chamber carry along a similar spirit as that of the workstation, where customized canvas painting, the dark wooden cladded walls, and the tan loungers stand out amidst the subtle hues of greys and white. To sum it up, the project is an attempt to strike a balance between the individual spaces, their needs, and in defining the overall spirit of the office. Thank you.